Good morning students. Let's continue chapter 2. Today we will complete exercise 2.2. The next question of exercise 2.2 is write in simplest form tan inverse 1 upon under root x square minus 1. Students, for this take x is equal to sec theta, so that under root x square minus 1 it becomes sec square theta minus 1, and sec square theta minus 1 it's tan square theta and it becomes tan theta. Okay, so the given question convert into tan inverse 1 by tan theta. Okay, and now it's tan inverse cot theta. 1 upon tan is equal to cot theta. Here tan inverse cot theta, if we want to change in tan, it is tan pi by 2 minus theta. Tan inverse tan will cancel student and we will get pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, and now substitute the value of theta from the substitution. From here we will get theta is equal to sec inverse x. So it is sec inverse x. Okay, it is the simplest form of the given question. Now the next question is, it is tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. For this type of question student, we directly apply the formula. Okay, so it is tan inverse 1 minus cos x, it's 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x, it's 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, and it is 2 will cancel, tan square x by 2. Okay, so it's tan inverse tan x by 2 and we will get x by 2. The range is given student here. It means that we have to take see that it's positive or negative. If first we write it's tan x by 2. Here it is given that x is greater than 1. So x by 2 it is also greater than 1 by 2. It means it's positive. Okay. Now next question is tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. For this question student, first divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Okay. We will get tan inverse 1 minus tan x and it is 1 plus tan x. Okay, and now tan inverse 1 we can write tan pi by 4, since tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 and it's tan x. Here 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, we are trying to making a formula. Okay, and it is formula of tan pi by 4 minus x. Here now student it's tan inverse 10. So we will get only pi by 4 minus x. It is the simplest form of the given question. Okay, now move ahead. The next question is tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square. For this question student, take x is equal to a sin theta. Okay, so that a square minus x square it becomes a square minus a square sin square theta. Okay, a square take common, 1 minus sine square theta. It is a square. 1 minus sine square theta. It's cos square theta. Okay. So the given question convert into, it is a square minus x square. It's tan inverse. In place of x, a sine theta. Okay. And it's a square minus x square, a square cos square theta. Okay students. So it's a square cos square theta. It is tan inverse. A will cancel student, and cos square theta becomes cos theta. So sin by cos theta, it is tan theta. So tan inverse tan theta gives only theta. Now substitute the value of theta from the substitution. From here student, theta is equal to, it's sin inverse x by a. Okay. So final answer of the given question is sin inverse x by a. Okay. The question is tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. For this question student, take x is equal to a tan theta. Okay. So question 3a square x minus x cube, a cube minus 3a x square, change to 3a square, place of x, a tan theta, a tan theta, minus, it's student a cube, tan cube theta, a cube right as it is, and here it is 3a as it is, and it is a square tan square theta. Okay. And now tan inverse, here 3a cube, it's a cube student, here it is also a cube, and there it is 3a cube. So a cube take common, it is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, and in denominator a cube take common, we will get 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay. Tan a cube cancel, and it is the formula of tan 3 theta. So we will get tan inverse tan 3 theta. Tan inverse tan 3 theta gives only 3 theta. Now substitute the value of theta. Here student, we have been taken x is equal to a tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Okay. So right here in place of theta, it's tan inverse x by a. Okay. Now next question. In this question students, find the values of following. Okay. So question number 11, tan inverse 2 cos, now 2 sin inverse, value 1 by 2 in sine, it is sine pi by 6. Now tan inverse 2 cos, sine inverse sine pi by 6 gives only pi by 6. So it is 2 into pi by 6, tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3. What is the value of cos pi by 3? It is 1 by 2. Okay. And tan 2 cancel student. It's tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1. It is tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 gives only pi by 4. So answer of this question is pi by 4. The next question. Very simple student. According to property, you know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Yesterday I wrote all the properties and expecting that you have been learned. Okay. So for this question, it's cot pi by 2 and cot pi by 2 is 0. Okay. Now move ahead. The question is tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Student, you know that it is the formula, okay, of 2 tan inverse x, okay, and its cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. It is 2 tan inverse 1, okay. So the question becomes tan 1 by 2 and it is 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse y. Now 2 take a common and it will cancel from this 2 and we will get only tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, okay. And now expand this according to the formula tan a plus b. Here in place of a is tan inverse x and place of b is tan inverse y. So we will get tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and here 1 minus tan inverse x and it's tan inverse y, okay. Now tan inverse x gives only x, tan inverse y gives y, and here 1 minus tan inverse x, it's x, and tan inverse y, it's y, okay. So answer of this question is x plus y upon 1 minus xy. For the next question, it's sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Find the value of x. So students, we know that sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. So this value sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x must be equal to pi by 2, okay. And sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So here x must be equal to 1 by 5. Therefore it becomes is equal to pi by 2. The question is, if tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, find x. So for this question, student, apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The formula is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So here it is, student, in place of x, it's x minus 1, x minus 2. And in place of y, it is x plus 1 upon x plus 2. Okay. So now apply the formula. It's tan inverse 2 plus x plus 1, x plus 2, and 1 minus x minus 1, x minus 2 multiply x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay. And now solve it by taking the LCM. Okay. It is x minus 1, x plus 2. And here plus x plus 1, x minus 2. LCM is x square minus 4. Same here, student. We will get x square minus 4 minus x minus 1, x plus 1. X upon x square minus 4. X square minus 4 and x square minus 4 will cancel. Now simplify tan inverse. We will get x square and it's 2x minus x plus x and minus 2. From here it's x square, okay, plus x minus 2x. So minus x and minus 2. And here it is x square minus 4 and minus x square and it's minus 1 and it's already minus here, so become plus 1. Okay student, and its tan inverse will cancel 2x square minus 4, and here x square will cancel, and it's minus 3. Okay. Now student, it is given in the question that tan inverse 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 becomes 10 pi by 4. Okay. And 10 pi by 4 is equal to student 1. So we will get 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1. Now 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Okay. And 2x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon root 2 plus minus. Here the final answer is x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. The next question, question number 16. It's sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Find the values. Okay student. So for this question, sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3, we can write it's pi minus pi by 3. Okay. Pi minus pi by 3, it is the second quadrant, and sine is positive in this quadrant student. So it's sine inverse sine pi by 3. Now sine inverse sine pi by 3 gives pi by 3. Okay. Pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. So it is the answer of this question. Next student, question number 17. Here it's tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. So for this question, tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 4 students. Okay. Pi minus pi by 4 second quadrant, and tan is negative in second quadrant. So it is tan inverse minus tan pi by 4. And now see the properties of tan inverse. Tan inverse, and consider this whole values as x. Okay. And you know that tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. So student, this give us minus tan inverse tan pi by 4. Okay. It is minus tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 gives minus pi by 4. Okay. So first keep the properties in your mind and then apply the correct property. Okay. Now question number 18 student. Okay. First you note down this solution in your notebook. For question number 18, it's a tan, and here student it's sine. Okay. And it's a cot inverse 3 by 2. So cot inverse 3 by 2 becomes student tan inverse 2 by 3. Now we have to change the sign in tan. So you can apply the triangle method also. For this, take sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta. So sine theta is equal to student 3 by 5. Okay, it's theta. So it's 3 and it's 5. According to Pythagoras, we will get it's 4. Okay. And now from this we can find tan theta. Tan theta is 3 by 4. Okay. And now from the question, it is tan, sine convert into tan. So we will get here tan inverse 3 by 4 and it's tan inverse 2 by 3. Okay, now apply the formula of tan inverse. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, student. Okay, so formula is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Here in place of x is 3 by 4 and place of y it's 2 by 3. Now simplify. It's tan inverse. Okay, take LCM, student, from here. We will get 9 plus 8 by 12, and from here it's 12 minus 6 by 12. Okay, 12 will cancel, and it's tan inverse 17 by it's 6. So answer is 17 by 6. In the next video, I will solve some more question of miscellaneous exercise. Until then, student, you solve all the illustration of chapter 2 and exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Okay.